Data always moving when there's no visible network. That's a constant. Battery not charging, and battery is not charging. Okay, now it's charging. So it's either not charging or it will not read the charge, which is a constant. So data will continue to move. There it goes. There's data moving all the time. So preview is not open here, but preview will show up here. There's QuickTime and screen capture. Preview is running here, and I have to force quit. QuickTime, Safari. All right, here we go. Data is still moving, but I have no network, supposedly. Oh, and text edit. Yeah. I've already documented the text, the malware attaches to, there we go, to Apple apps. Anyways, he's tampering, he's removing things, changing things. I'm gonna go here. I've already documented, this is my second recorded. I'm gonna recording. There's the first one I did. I stopped it because I just removed these things here. Stalker is running diagnostic on my computer constantly. When I open them, they're all empty, and QuickTime would not work for days now. And I already documented that the Mac shut down, foreign shut down for 2 weeks. Okay, so when I open this folder, that's a weird way of opening. It gives me 162 screenshots. Tells me 162. But when I get info, it tells me 163. There's always a malware in every folder. There's always something in every single folder. Okay, all of them. So I'm going to open this folder. Data moving again. Data is always moving when there's no visible network. That's the foreign connection. He always has access to my network. Let me bring this up. It says 3 hours 28 minutes. Okay. Now I've seen websites here, things listed here that I've never visited, including Apple discussions. So this says 3 hours 28 minutes. This says 24 minutes, 23 minutes, and 1 minute. Okay, does not add up to 3 hours 28 minutes. It's strange when these numbers add up. Always allowed, only 2383, and seconds and seconds and seconds. Okay, does not add up to 3 hours 28 minutes. And here's a malware that looks like an innocent Apple app. Cannot get rid of it. Now if I try to get rid of iMessage, it tells me I can remove it. Okay, I can remove it, but I cancel. Okay, let's see if I can remove it. It's gone, but not this baby. Nope, can't get rid of it. Now this one, can't get rid of it. That's the malware. All right, so close that, close that. "162 items, open." So this time I have one window that opened. In the other recording, in this recording I just did, I had 2 windows open, which is still good. Usually I have many windows open. They're never in order. Everything is scrambled. So it's 162 screenshots is what I should see. So QuickTime is not open here, but it's running here. Power D is a constant. Data is always moving in and out of the Mac. Kernel task, number 1 user of the Mac. 1 hour 6 minutes usage, but 32 and 13. This is screenshot number 5. I was going to put numbers on them. 33 minutes. 33 here, but this is 35. Alright, so when this is grayed out, is because Stalker is using my local network. At unboxing, this is June 6th, 12:30 midnight. I'm still looking at the Mac. I'm documenting what's happening on it, and hotspot is how Luke Dalabon of archaeologyvacations.com connect is via hotspot. And here I have no visible network, but Wi-Fi is an active process. Battery lasts 12 hours, fully charged, but here it's not fully charged. It's uploading at 4% and it says now playing. Uploaded 4%. Fully uploaded 1 minute ago. When I say 401 times 3 is because he's removed it 3 times. He deleted this one 3 times, deleted this one 2 times. And on and on and on. And the video is uploading and it's playing. Not by me, but it's playing. And he slows down the video so much that it takes days for them to upload. So here's the install log. Install log says there's connected process right off the bat. I am going to do that now. And here's the install log. Top of the install log. First thing it says is Progress UI app starting. And I am immediately a local host. This says February the 25th. I unboxed it and set it up on June 5th. It already has connected processes. Okay? I did not connect, but it already has connected processes. And somewhere down the line, this is all February the 2nd, 25th, and all of these bundle things. MA loop management is nested inside upgrade bundle. Should take a screenshot of this baby. Okay. Device plugin is nested inside upgrade bundle. And device remote is nested inside upgrade. Device eye control, yeah, there we go. There we go. Starting installation right there. And this is at unboxing. Things are nested in something else. And this is February the 2nd. So I unboxed on June 5th. All of this is already happening. Set responsibility. All of this is happening. Running install scripts. So this is the install log. These things are installing at unboxing. Still February the 25th. End install. Allow user idle system sleep. End install. Removing client. Write at unboxing. Removing temporary directory. Install. Installed Mac Content Asset Pack. Prevent user idle system sleep. All this is in the install log. Starting installation. And I did not connect to a network. Preparing disk for local booted install. Set authorization level to root for session. Starting installation. Now I've sent this to myself via email. Phone will not send anything. As I said, it's not sending any email. All emails are queued. And it's doing exactly as the Mac is doing. It will not record. Temporarily excluding applications, library system, bin, private as bin user. End install. Removing temporary directory. All this at setup. And the person who's doing this is Luke Dallabona of archaeologyvacations.com. Done with sandbox removal. Starting installation. Looky. Administrator authorization granted. There we go. These are all installer. At unboxing. Preparing disk for local booted install. Begin install. And I did not connect a network. Starting installation. Begin install. And install. Removing client. Installer. Removing temporary directory. Initialize disk Macintosh HD. Administrator authorization granted, of course. Set authorization level to root for session. Releasing backup D. Now, as I said, Stalker would not allow anything to be recorded on my Mac for days. And then I found a folder that had over 200 GB of information in it, but it looked empty. So I got rid of it, and suddenly I'm able to record using QuickTime. Because previous to that, Stalker would not allow me to record. Let's see, I should have tons of this here. It will not record. Go back to the install log. All this for February the 25th, 2021. localhost. Here we go. Extracting file. Localhost private. TMP. Administrator authorization granted. Configuring volume HD, Macintosh HD. Administrator authorization granted. So that those are installer. This is system installed. Prevent user idle system. And this here we're going into shovel. So these are all installer. This is shovel. This is install D. And here we go. So this is when I set up the Mac, and it has the date. It already had the correct date. I didn't have to put in a date. It already had June 5th. That's the date when I unboxed. Alright, and it says it already has connected processes. Unable to quit because there are already connected processes. There we go. And then so this is June 5th. Unboxing. Setup. Factory cable attached. Unable to quit because they're connected processes. Connected processes. Connected processes. Adding client. Controller. Client equal 4. Adding client connection. Anyway, there's a whole lot more. But the thing is, the first line in install log is localhost. The first line. Okay, close that one. I have the whole log there. Okay. Okay, here we go. Finder running at 103%. There's the connected processes that I talked about between February the 2nd and unboxing. This is all happening before this date shows up. Yeah, it will not quit. I mean, QuickTime will not work. Videos are immediately uploaded, but they take forever to upload. they show in a new window that they're uploaded. There's 421, 0% uploaded, but already uploaded here. Same with every one of them. All of these already uploaded, but still uploading on the computer. And there's 100 web pages behind this one web page. Yeah, interference between when things are downloading. They're deleted, switched, on and on. So this is my chat log, and this is what I downloaded. Pickups 15, only 3 disclosed. This one here is frozen because it shows me data moving. He keeps freezing it and undoing it all the time. He's able to turn kernel task into 00, not disclosing the amount of energy used. Preview and QuickTime, the malware attaches to Preview and QuickTime actually to all Apple software. Preview and QuickTime and Safari running here. But Safari is closed here. QuickTime is closed, and so is Preview. But they're running here. I've already documented that many times. All data goes to the networking of computers. Safari networking is the networking of computers. That's where all the data goes. There's Control Center. Disposing of session. Every time I run diagnostic, he disposes of the session. 15 servers now. Okay, 15 servers. Whatever password I key in, he doesn't allow me to access anything really. I key in a password, that's not what I keyed in, but that's because I cannot get into the network. I had to show password, and that's what it said. There's Wi-Fi. It's already Wi-Fi connected. It's an active process. It's already connected. Data is already moving. Oh yeah, there it is. It's already moving. It doesn't have to wait for me. Password is not what I entered. No visible network. Data is always moving. Nothing new. Console, Preview, QuickTime, they're all running but closed in the dock. Data always moving in and out of the Mac. Nothing can be force quit. None of these could be force quit. Already recorded it. Upload shifts. Yeah, they switch positions all the time. All my uploads. He doesn't want to make it easy for anyone to look at the uploads. They keep switching positions all the time. Here I am running diagnostic. It says 212 here, packets in and out. Here it says launch D, 420 packets sent. Okay, now none of these can be force quit, as I've said before, because Apple wants me to run capture data, but none of these can be quit. Okay, and so they're the malware. There's data always moving in and out of the Mac. Here, dump temp Wi-Fi log, which is common. Always dumping the logs, always dumping the Wi-Fi log. There's Control Center for the connected computers. Yeah, this is in one of the error messages. Failed operation not permitted. Not a directory. I have two of the same. If I have two of the same screenshot, is because Stalker has removed one of my screenshot. Okay, it's the same one here. One has a number, one does not. He's removed one of my screenshots. I should never have two of the same. He does this all the time. Say one, this one here, it doesn't have the number 8, and this one has the number 8. He has removed one of my screenshots. Okay, so one screenshot is gone. So let me write that down. One is gone, one is missing. And EFI dump logs. There we go. Always dump logs. This is a Wi-Fi log. Added to candidate logs. I'm the candidate logs, and added to candidate logs. So I am a candidate. Yeah. Apple tells me data should not be moving in and out of the computer if I did not connect to a network. It's not possible, they said. And system awoken by Wi-Fi, but the wake reason is not known, not found. Dark wake, so power D is a constant on the computer. Power D is a constant, and it's dark wake from deep idle. Loss of power D. Alright, accounts log, enforcing size limit on filtered candidates. I am a filtered candidate. And there's power D. It's in every single activity monitor, every single process. It's always there. It's ubiquitous. It's always there. Adding default filters, added to candidate logs, added to candidate logs, and so on. Okay, applying default filters on the Wi-Fi log. Here we go. I don't know how these showed up here. Well, because I'm hacked. Under security and privacy, 56 client connections attempted to negotiate, 55 client connections successfully negotiated ECN when there's no visible network. Okay, no, data should not be moving without a network connection. Yeah, I got it, but it always does. I just opened on June 26th, I opened a new email address, and it already says I'm currently being used in one other location, and this here is a fake link. Immediately there's a fake link. It should say sign out of other location. It doesn't do that anymore. So immediately I get the fake link to view security checkups. In the old uploads, there's so many documentation of it. I've got a million printouts of it that it said something completely different. It said sign out of the other account. Not anymore. Okay, so 3 times I had to upload this one. Yep. Upload number, uploading 42%, uploading 17%. I have 2 Safari web content. There it goes, all data goes to Safari networking. So yeah, this video, 436 I think it was updating for 2 days. I went into 2 days. So slow, more data into Mac than leaving Mac when uploading. So Stalker changes my words all the time. He adds new things all the time. So here we go. Packets in at 4 and packets out is 2. He slowed the upload down that much. And yeah, this is my email to Vanessa at Apple from engineering. Here's what I need. The malwares hide under the name of innocent Apple software. I've been documenting that forever, but Apple doesn't respond. And this is a phone. It will not allow me to make phone calls. So it has to be network and it has to have Wi-Fi. Okay, and then after it's connected to Wi-Fi, only then, even sometimes it will not allow me to make phone calls, but it must be connected to Wi-Fi before any phone calls can be made. This one here, uploading 43%, but already uploaded 19 hours ago. That is how long it takes to upload. Safari and QuickTime using significant energy. Yep, so 19 hours ago it was uploaded, but it's only at 43%, and that's daily occurrence. Deleted, backup D. I did not sign into cloud, but that's what it says there. Join history, Wi-Fi join history, will not allow request. Okay. And of course this was frozen for a long time. There we go, 440, uploaded 1 day ago. But it says processing 19%. it could not be played. Okay, because Stalker was tampering with it, and when I play when they do eventually play, they are blurred, very very blurred, as will this video be, very blurred. Yeah, data always moving in and out of the Mac. Will not disclose movement of data. So this is what it looks like here, and that's what it looks like there. So this is frozen again. He does it all the time. So this is my channel, Cedar Kate. And there's QuickTime recording there, here, but it's not open in the dock. No, this time it is open. It might be. Anyways, I have a line over it. Stalker usually moves she tampers with everything to cover. One thing will open over this thing and it covers it up. It's a constant. Luke Dalabana has no shame. Safari not in dock, so Safari is using significant energy here, but it's not open in the dock. Like I said, the malware attaches to Safari, QuickTime Preview, all Apple software. It attaches to every single Apple software, and it makes up new ones all the time as well. Like the one that I have right now in Always Allowed Screen Time. There's networking, there's Safari, but not open here. Wireless library, and I cannot get my email. Okay, and someone told me that they tried to send me an email and it was refused by my Mac. Okay, data is moving in and out even without Wi-Fi network connection. Verified with customer. Yep, this is at the Apple Store. This was on very recent, couple of weeks ago. Yeah, June 22nd was when I took the screenshot, around there. So every time I go to visit the Apple Store, things are perfect. There's packets from this host, unknown unsupported protocol. So I've already documented that one screenshot has been removed from my Mac. So let me see which other screenshot has been removed. Now, packets sent from this host. So I clear my computer here, I clear history, but there is always it's never cleared. There's always something or another, always where Stalker can access my channel. Yeah, there's force reset every time I try to run diagnostic. Force reset whenever I try to run diagnostic, and the reset is done by system. This one here, deleted, is number 1 item on activity monitor. Wi-Fi log tells me the system woken by Wi-Fi. System wake reason not found. Cache delete extension, lots of deletion. It's in the diagnostics that I've run. 290 client connections attempted, 230 client connections successfully negotiated with no visible network. This is in NetStat. Okay, debug. Account summary disabled. Data always moving in and out of the Mac. Kernel task is 00. Debug. Airport core Wi-Fi sent RESP get net service ID. It's a volatile process. Oh yeah, uploading, but already uploaded. It's 550 at 6%. 550 was uploaded 33 minutes ago. And of course they're scrambled. Here they are uploading in order, and here they are all scrambled. Okay, so this is what Stalker does a lot. I have a network, but no web page will load. the biggest one, Apple will not load. Safari can't find the server. Okay, and this one here is APSD, which you always see in log messages, and this is what it means. It's iCloud, and I'm not signed into iCloud. iMessages, I see bag.plist, but those files will not open in after running diagnostic. There's Command Center, sharing D, request to block until connected, sharing D, and Command Center Wi-Fi network name is private. Look at that. Wi-Fi MAC address is private. Internet status unavailable. First unlock since boot. And this is allow Bluetooth devices to rig this computer. This is on unboxing June 5th at 6 o'clock. I unboxed at 6 o'clock in Yorkville on June 5th. I immediately took screenshots of the setup. Okay, when I got to Bluetooth, this is ticked off. Allow Bluetooth devices to rig this computer, and soon this line, the stop line, would be grayed out. And when it's grayed out, it means it's being used. So there it is, grayed out. Okay, Apple hasn't been able to explain why it's grayed out. It's not grayed out there, grayed out here, with or without a tick mark, grayed out. And so this is June 5th, and somebody has already been running diagnostic on my computer. There are these things here that I've already shown is constant on my computer. He's already run diagnostic on June 5th at 8:27. He's already run diagnostic on the computer. This is Cornell Task is at the top user of the Mac, June 5th, just unboxed. Okay, Control Center is there, and this is the amount of data that has moved right after unboxing. Okay, data is still moving. This is June 6th, 12 o'clock in the morning, and allow Bluetooth devices to wake this computer is no longer grayed out. It's back on again. Alright, and battery lasts 12 hours, is fully green, but it's not fully charged up here. But this fully green means fully charged. This is a foreign charge. This power D will be here forever and ever. It never goes away. And this is what my uploads look like. They're so grayed out. They're so blurred. Okay, this is the hack. What Stalker does. He blurs out my videos so people cannot see, but it's a brand new computer. It's so easy to tell. Brand new computer should never have this screen. And oh yeah, this is Marcos, IPv4 and IPv6. A global address while connected to a network. It's not normal behavior for IPv4, IPv6 addresses to show up when not connected to a network. Right? So I told him about the 2 preview, 2 text edit, 2 quick times, and other software I see on my computer. They're expected by default. What is not normal is having 2 of them. Right? So I had 2 of them. I understand the question. iMessage and keychain. Yeah, I'm hacked via iMessages. And oh yeah, and the 5th one I think was data moving in and out of the computer. Alright, 32 minutes, 8 minutes, but it says usage is 54. I have 2 view bridge auxiliary. Data always moving. 1 hour, 6 minutes of use, 32 minutes, 13 minutes. APSD. Changing status for user from connected to disconnected. data usage for that. Wi-Fi in out, Wi-Fi delta. Yeah, changing status from connected to disconnected. These are just some part of my channel 4. Channel 4, it does not show all the count because Stalker does not release it, and Stalker has changed this. Is being cyber stalked. He changed it, the ed to er. Always changes something. It never ever ends. Let's see, where's channel 1? 266 subscriber. Yeah, it changes all the time. I've got lots of screenshots. 18 hours 11 minutes. I'm on chat support for 1 hour 4 minutes. Every time I'm talking to Apple, Stalker is with me. Every time I talk to Apple, Stalker is with me. And this is at the time of the usage, Stalker is always using the computer. Okay, so there's a new thing that's happening when uploading. It says checking, 29%. Here we go. These are all uploaded. 550 already uploaded 41 seconds ago, 4 minutes ago, and it says checking here. There's when running diagnostic. Luca Dalla Buona of archaeologyvacations.com will purge and clean up the system. That is why captured data always comes back pristine. Okay, because there's a lot of deleted processes. Let's see what's happening. Oh no, that's the screenshot. Removed D, registering client browse, present only. 171 client connection attempted. 146 client connections successfully negotiated with no visible network when running diagnostic. Data always moving in and out of the Mac. Power D, ubiquitous. And I have this one here. I searched it and it notifies client. I'm a client. The computer is a client. Okay. There's lots of it. This arbitration D is in my log. Deleted it also is there, which I've documented, and it's used to purge cache on disk. So registered as a client. Right? And mobile document file provider, see that a lot, will be managed by running board. Yep, Safari can't find server for CNN or Apple or any or YouTube or anything. And so here, diagnostic summary log, they're all compressed. All of them are compressed. Deleted, connecting to private. A lot of deleted process. 604 connections established, including accepts. But 687 connections were closed, including 24 drops. So this number is higher than that number. $171 client connections attempted, 146 successfully negotiated. 208 packets for this host. 166 packets for unknown unsupported protocol. 345 datagrams received. 120 datagrams over IPv6. Okay, deleted processes, lots of deleted. And here we go, client entitled for destructive operations. That's me. Client entitled to destructive operations, and there's a shorter snapshot disk, APFS. Here's a longer one. Here's a shorter one. Deleted, private. Yep, Stalker is running diagnostic on my computer constantly. When I try to open the folders, nothing is there. Data always moving in and out of the Mac, when there's no visible network. Disk arbitration D, which I've talked about before, is remove session. Okay, created session, remove session. Copy disk description. Client entitled for destructive operations. Client entitled for information, adding client connection. Oh yeah, this was an idiot. And so I sent all this information, will engineering, will my understanding, right. There was no response. So this is about, I would not give it access. APSD, which you see a lot of. I would not give it access. I have no choice. It takes access. It's deleted. Purge main volume. There we go. Command center, state dump complete. Command center, state dump requested. Internet status, unavailable. Wi-Fi status, unavailable. Wi-Fi network name, private. Wi-Fi MAC address, private. Battery saver mode is false. Sharing D, dumping state, not blocking, already connected. Cloud server operations. Unable to quit because they were connected processes. I showed this in the beginning. This is the system log, install log. Oh, system log, not the install log. System log here. Yeah, there's February 25th. No, February 25th that I've talked about. Shutdown time, system shutdown initiated by halt. Launch 1. Launch 1 is constant. Localhost. Alright, all of these running, but they're not open in the dock. Like I said, malware attached. Data always going to the networking of computers. Data moving here, but does not show here, except it's going to Safari networking. All processes are restricted. I cannot quit anything. And like I said, Stalker has frozen this here. This is what I should see here, but it is frozen a few times. Login window, client, handler. Client is this, handler is that. Authorized with empty authorization for rights, requesting provided rights. Setup factory cable attached, connected processes, I showed that. Okay, there's the install log and the system log. Install log is from February the 25th. Mac was set up on June 5th, 2021. TCCD, handler, TCC access request, incoming client for private. Alright, and the install log, as I've documented, the first thing, the first line is localhost. All of these localhost. Okay. App starting. Connected processes. So he does connect via Bluetooth, and Bluetooth has instant hotspot supported. That's how he gets Wi-Fi connected. Alright, NetStat, to interface, 10 sockets, 4958 sockets allocated since boot. It's all here. 6 IPv4 datagram sockets connected, 478 IPv4 DNS sockets, and on and on. Okay, 16 interfaces currently allocated since boot. Launch D is Stalker. What is ViewBridge Auxiliary? I showed 2 of them. It has to do with internal backups. MDNS responder network configuration change. No IPv6 address tentative will continue. Wi-Fi join history will not allow. So I used to have a lot of foreign address. Now he joins my local network and they're all active. Active but no visible network. Active processes, Airport D, Wi-Fi. There's Control Center. I am an MDM client, manage client. Sharing D, manage client. No visible network, data always moving. So it says 2 and 2 here, but shows nothing here. MDM client, private flush connections. Connections successfully flushed during shutdown. Nice, huh? Delivering did reconnect APSD MDM client. Okay. What's MDM client? Reacts to and interprets information coming from a device management provider. A device management provider. Got that? Okay. Yeah, more of the same. QuickTime recording, QuickTime not enforce quit, and QuickTime not open in the dock. Safari networking, all information when I compress a file, it doesn't go to mail, it goes to the networking of computers. That's where it's all going. That's where Packet South is going, to the networking of computers. And yeah, when I sign into my email, it says it changes all the time. So sometimes I get this page, sometimes I get other pages, which we'll show later. Alright, open keychain, keychain status. Keychain is not opened here. Not blocking, already connected, sharing D. No visible network. Cloud D, saving 1, deleting 0, subscriptions on the server. I'm not connected via cloud, but my Mac is. Sent from this host, packet sent from this host. Now I have 2 of everything. One of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined. I have 2 of just about everything installed on the Mac. One of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined. 18 hours. Oh, okay, this is the second one. So 2 screenshots have been removed. I have 2 of the same. I should never have 2 of the same. So 2 screenshots have been removed. Alright. And he switched this around. No, OTHER, this is fine. But he switches them around so constantly. So here's a stalker at 2 o'clock, at 12 a.m. He joined the Mac. 12 midnight, he joined the Mac. Okay, 12 a.m. There's stalker, and he was there for 2 hours, 2 minutes. Parent is unknown. Parent unknown. Okay, I have two of the same again. No, these are different. So parent unknown here in the WebKit. MacBook Air Wake Ups Resource Diagnostic. Yeah, so I should get verification code via text. No, I don't. I get via phone calls, but the phone never rings. So I get it way after I ask for it. And it comes via phone messages. So I'm waiting and waiting, phone does not ring. And then later on, I get a text saying, here's your verification code. Right, look at Alabama of archaeologyvacations.com. There's remote D in console. And that's a setup. That's on June 6th at 2:44 a.m. I'm up the whole night recording what's showing in the logs. Deleted, plugin loaded and ready for host. Setting changes for power source change to battery power, AC power. So the power is a foreign power source, but he's changing it to show battery, AC power. Dark wake background task 1. Disk sleep timer. Yeah, I documented that where he said stalker, stalked. He changed it to stalker. Deleted purge main. Always purging. So I had to send my recovery email to my recovery of the cdet.toronto@gmail.com to edit. And there's so much more associated with that because it was already a source that was my recovery email. It asked me if I want to change my source, and I did, but they should not have been a source. There's 2 text edit, as there were 2 of everything. And there's remote advisor, we shouldn't be there. It says Apple support is running, but then it says Apple advisor.app. Okay, I'm going to go back one. There's Apple Advisor. There's Apple Advisor.app, but it's Apple support and no visible, and Safari is not running there. But I have Gmail opened. Safari is not running. Actually, let me see. Nope. There's Safari running here. Safari is running in Foursquare, but Safari is not open in the dock. QuickTime is recording my screen, but QuickTime is not open in the dock, and QuickTime is not open running here in Foursquare. And same with preview. Not open here, but running here. They are the malware. Removing filtered services. And yeah, here's that has been my thumbnail, my portrait picture, and he removed it. And then he reinstated it like he does all the time. When sound disappeared, when so many things disappeared. Same thing here. So it's there, he made it disappear. And on and on. Removing client from install log. Data always moving when there's no visible network. Uploading 3%, but the video is playing there. They're always playing when I'm uploading. Uploading 1%. Uploaded 4 minutes ago. 440. And this one says processing will begin shortly. Oh boy. There's checking, processing will begin shortly, then processing HD, and then there's the processing 1%, 2%, whatever. It doesn't change. It's so much. There's other is stalker. He's joined the computer before I can speak to Apple, senior advisor with screen sharing. Stalker has already joined us, and then this freezes. He can freeze it. "13 recordings disappeared 3 times, then QuickTime would not record." And Stalker does that a lot. QuickTime will not record. But the SOB deleted my recordings, 13 recordings 3 times. Okay, these are the ones. 3 times he deleted them. These are all the ones here. This one was only 58 seconds, so you can see 58 seconds. But if they do not have the length, it's because they're uploaded, but because of the hack, they will not play. They're still uploading here on the computer, but on this page for my channel, it shows that they're already uploaded, but when I click on them, they will not play. They say processing, which I've documented. So this one is uploading 5:28, and this is what Stalker did. This is how slowly he stopped the upload. That's why it takes days to upload. Safari networking, all data goes to Safari networking. There we go, 52 client connection attempted, 50 successful. Without any visible network, by the way. This is diagnostic. Uploading same video for the 6th time. They are all uploaded but showing as still uploading. This is a thumbnail for one of my uploads. Okay, so this is what Apple told me. It looks like I'm under some other local device, or your devices have some unknown third-party software on it controlling it, or controlled by management profile. Then that's possible. What you need to do is wipe. It's so easy, he says. It's simple, see? It's simple, just wipe it. And this is MacBook number 21. With how many wipes have I done so far, Luca Dallabana? Many. 5 hours, 1 minute. Stalker started on the computer at about 2 o'clock in the morning, and he went until about 5 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning. That's Stalker. As I'm sleeping, Stalker is on the computer. That's Stalker. So Apple told me I need to reach someone. It's a long story, and the computer would not let me. 4 hours, 10 minutes, 7 minutes, 8, 9 minutes, 9 minutes here, but 4 hours, 10 minutes here of usage. Oh, here's live real-time screen tampering. 9:04 p.m., 9:09 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., it says 1 hour, 7 minutes of use. Entertainment, 1 hour, 7 minutes. And then as I'm documenting it, at 9:09 p.m., it says entertainment is 38 minutes of use. And total usage is 1 hour, 13 minutes. There, real-time tampering. Oh yeah, lots of deleted and sharing D. Data missing yet again. There's power D, and I am a client. There's console using significant energy right at the top. There, number 1 user of energy on the Mac when running diagnostic. Because the date on console change, it would not show date anymore. It showed time, but not date. There's the networking of computers. 4 other joined the computer at, if this is 12, early in the morning, and it stops around 6 o'clock. As I'm sleeping, Stalker is on the computer, right there, for 4 hours. And I'm sure more, but he can stop it at 4 hours. And this one here is another one of my uploads. I will explain this later. Oh, I put this one on private. 389 on private. MacBook number 21. It's on private. Screen tap. Okay, this is a third screenshot that has been removed. 3 of them has been removed. This is the third, 3 of the same thing. Okay, this is the same. It should not be here. So I'm going to go back. Okay, yep. I have 2 of, so this is another duplicate. So three screenshots have been removed. 4 hours 31 minutes. Okay, 4 screenshots have been removed. I've already seen this one. So 4 has been removed. Not blocking, already connected. Sharing D, that's a sharing D. With no visible network, these are all diagnostic. So the first message for smsmigrator.log is okay, deleted messages. Right? Constant deleted messages. The first one for SMS Migrator is deleted messages. Not blocking, already connected, that's a constant. What's sharing D? It's used to enable airdrop file sharing, connecting to shared computers. Connecting to shared computers, yep. And accessing remote disk from other computers. Yep, that's why I have tons of sharing D. And there we go, interface, sockets, filter, IPv4, IPv6, interfaces. And I have 2 of each. One of the 2 will be used, which one is undefined. System preference showed up in always allowed, and then it disappeared. And so that Siri and Safari, and then it never showed up again. Deleted, telling plugin that host has control. Administrator authorization granted, I've already documented that in install log. Set authorization level to root for session. Giving authorization level of root for that. Starting installation. And I did not connect to a network, but it's already starting to install. Create temporary directory. Adding client. User not signed in. Sharing the user not signed in. Okay, warning. Temp sensor for kernel. Activity monitor is using metal path. Don't know what that is. Oh yeah, here's the verification. It always is ticked off. Don't ask again on this computer. I undo it and it's redone again. It's automatically ticked off. Doesn't matter how many times I undo it. Alright, I open the computer. Immediately this amount of data is sent. Well, it starts off and it reaches this amount. Wi-Fi is already an active process. Power D, always there. 2, view bridge auxiliary. Capture reason, Wi-Fi debug. Yep, it will not find YouTube or Apple or CNN. It will not have me access the internet. Yep, YouTube, nope. So here it says it cannot find server. I click to show that I'm connected, but it will not allow me to join any network. And then on July the 31st, I'm looking through YouTube, found this page, and then overnight, my entire computer changed. My entire desktop was rearranged, and that should be 262 screenshots. That's the last, no more. So I am missing 4 screenshots from here. From the 162, 4 is missing. from 162. 4 have been replaced. Okay, so this is this is what it is. It's actually 100, but get info shows it as 101. One item is hidden. Wait, tons of data moving, lots of data moving. Should not be moving. I don't have any visible connection. Data should not be moving. Oh, preview is not open here. Preview is not open here, but preview is using significant energy here. Preview is not open there, but using significant energy there. And I'm gonna go to force quit. Okay. So let's do this one. Hundred images here. All right, so here we go. I'm downloading Big Sur. It is June 6th. Date. I'm still within 12 hours of unboxing. First thing I do, download Big Sur, and more data is moving out of the computer than is moving into the computer when downloading Big Sur. Data is going to this place here, and you need iCloud for that to happen. I did not join iCloud, but that's what was happening on the Mac. More data moving out than coming in when downloading Big Sur. All of it recorded. Usage 2 hours 3 minutes, and that does not add up to 2 hours 3 minutes. Nothing new. Oh yeah, your screen is being observed in safe boot. And the recording for the foreign power charge has been removed, which I've documented already. Upload number 389 was sitting there for a month, and then Stalker removed it. This package sent and received 60 and 60, but it says 4 and 4. There's data coming in and out of the Mac. But I have no visible network connection. MDNS responder is where data is going to KB and KB. Okay, and yeah, I only took a screenshot of this here because, Stalker, you're listening, you know, because it's different from app usage. 10 hours? Nope. Safari networking, of course. Safari is using significant energy, but it's not open here, but it's running in Activity Monitor. There's data moving. This is frozen, as I've mentioned before. Kernel task will not disclose energy use. It's been Stalker has set it to show 00, because when I talk to Apple says I should pay attention to energy use, but kernel task has been set to show 00. Diagnose helper, agent connection, data moving, all processes restricted. Safari using significant energy, but Safari is way down here. All information goes to Safari networking, and this is how what's happening on the Mac. This is how it's uploading, because you know things are being tampered with. Yeah, bag list, it will not open, and that has to do with iMessages because it's hacked via iMessage. There's Finder using 100%, more than 100% of the CPU. Yeah, there's a Big Sur downloaded on within 12 hours of unboxing. There's 2 Safari web content. There's this one here, and more data going out of the Mac than coming into the Mac when I'm downloading Big Sur. Not only that, I had just received two voicemail for that had verification codes that I never asked for, and I think that stalker accessing my Apple ID. So two verification codes were received when I didn't ask for them. So 15 minutes, 1 minute, 32 seconds. Yep, there's interference. This is my chat log, the actual chat log, and when I downloaded it, it's different. Connection, cleaning up. WebKit, networking. It's all here. Even though stalker deletes host name, even stalker deletes most of the stuff, there's still enough. Command center, connected client, count 3. Control center, control center. Let's see if this is the same thing. Nope. MD sync shows up when I open the Mac. See data moving there? Data moving in and out of the Mac, no visible network, but it doesn't show. This says 9292. It doesn't say anything here about 9292 packets in, packets out. It doesn't show anything there. 13 minutes, 5 minutes. So this was what my desktop looked like. I had things organized chaos, and then stalker on August the 1st deleted a ton of shit. Okay, so these are sometimes grayed out, sometimes not grayed out. These are running but are not open in the dock. Okay, malware attaches to every single Apple process. Yeah, running diagnostic. So this is different from here because this was frozen. Okay, upload number 454. Preview. And preview was not open. QuickTime was not open either. But they're running here. Alright, this is June 21st. Genius Notes. Data moving in and out. Active internet connections, foreign addresses. Local address, foreign address. But there's my address. There's the networking of computers. Apple Safari networking. Multicast IPv4, sometimes 1, sometimes 2. Then IPv6, the number changes, but usually it's around 10. That's from NetStat. All processes restricted, so this is what it should look like. It should look like down here. Packets moving in and out. That's what it should mirror here, unless stalker freezes it. Preview is not open there, but preview is running here. Kernel task on Windows Server were at one time the number 1 and number 2 user of the Mac. 6 notification, only 3 showing. Okay, all tasks done. System diagnose. Oh, go back one. 2 view bridge auxiliary. Other is frozen at 14 minutes. So this is 11 hours 2 minutes. It is not up. Okay. Parse D, client configuration by private. Remove session. Requesting start by private. Your screen is being observed. June 5th, date of unboxing, 2021 in Yorkville. Notification 1, nothing here. 1 hour 9 minutes, other is frozen, other is constant. Okay, this is 8, 6, and 5 minutes. This is 1 hour 9 minutes. Data always moving, no visible network. There is multicast, IPv4 with when I have no visible network. This other is a constant. There is IPv6 connection. And another email to Debian of Apple support. Packets moving in and out of the Mac. Genius Notes. No response. This is computer number 20, February the 9th. This is oh, this is 2020. I'm asking the same question. There are two previews, two quick times. Yep. Same questions. Yeah, it will not clear history. 48 minutes, 14 minutes. Kernel task, and this thing here will not show in using significant energy. Something completely different is showing using significant energy is Safari, which is a constant. Safari is always using significant energy because Stalker is tampering with my channel. This is what uploading should look like. The big red straight, not the jagged way it looks. That's when Stalker is tampering. And yeah, look, I'm uploading, and this is what Stalker did. He slowed the upload. This is what he does. And it is going to Safari networking, never to YouTube Studio, never. Always to the networking computers. So all my uploads go to Stalker. Yeah, data moving. This kernel task, 0, 0. Okay, it's the number one user, energy user, but it's 0, 0. And there was there's another item here. It says download from anywhere. I did not download any app to the Mac, but somebody did, and then that line disappeared. Alright, same thing here, never congruent, 42.13.3, never congruent here. 12 minutes, 2 minutes 33 seconds. Launch D is Stalker. Luke Dalabana of archaeologyvacations.com. 56 minutes, 26 and 24. Packets always moving in and out. 16 minutes, 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Launch D. Yep, don't ask again on this computer for the verification code. And like I said, Stalker is always running diagnostic on my computer. I see the AUD, this one here, and all of these, including kernel panics. When I try to open it, this is what I see. It says locked. There's two view bridge auxiliary, and data, of course, is always moving in and out of the Mac, and there's no visible network. Yeah, file cannot be unlocked. Okay, the ones that he's running on my computer cannot be unlocked. There's data moving in and out of the computer without any visible network. The document Bluetooth could not be opened. Yep, cannot be opened. 51 minutes, 13:10, 31 seconds. Data always moving in and out of the Mac. 2 view bridge auxiliary. Now Stalker listens carefully to everything I say, and he changes things accordingly. Debug. Okay, I appear to bring him information because I noticed the little nuances. And capture log, core capture D, capture log. Deleted. purgeable operation. So I have urgency 3 or urgency 1. Cache, delete, shared, purgeable. Connecting to private when there's no visible network. News today, copying asset with remote URL. An asset internal to asset directory. So news today, I don't get anything. He deletes them all. Deleting on disk asset. He deletes all my information. Finish downloading asset handles. Kernel, LQM Wi-Fi. Client detached. Client detached. Note client death for that. Done spin dump. Finish serial execution. Okay, all tasks done. Done spin dump meta. Receive Wi-Fi notification from private. Hostname, no hostname. Power unlimited changed, yes to no. Sharing D, cloud pair D, power D. Login window will not show the message. Deleted, connecting to private. Deleted, cache delete event. Deleted. 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 Control manager. Respond to cache delete for asset. Loaded account with account info. Cannot open Bluetooth. Look at that upload. All data goes to Safari networking. Actually, no, I wasn't uploading. This control center. I wasn't uploading. I was looking at my email. There's mail. And this is what was happening on the Mac. Connection cleaning up. Reporting state cancelled. Successful request for deleted. 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 And backup D. Deleted. Purge. Deleted. 28 pickups. Only one showing. Lots of deleted. Cloudy. Waiting for MMCS job queue. Running diagnostic. QuickTime is recording, but QuickTime is not open in the dock, or QuickTime is not in force quit. Debug. Cache delete. Lots are deleted. Four channels. Oh, and I have already said Stalker changed. Stalker should be stalked by an ex-partner. His name is Luke Dalabona. Yep, nothing going to Gmail. The zip file all going to the networking of computers. Nothing going to Gmail. Okay, cloud. I did not join cloud. but my computer did. Cloudpeer, not me. Wireless Radio Manager D is how he connects to the Mac. That's the hack. Wireless, it's Bluetooth and wireless radio. So widget, returning widget. So this is grayed out, means it is in use. My local network is always computer is always connected to the local network. That's why it's grayed out there. Safari recording, with Safari not open in the dock, or neither is it in Foursquare. Okay, in error message file, it says unable to open device, operation not permitted. Data always moving. There we go. QuickTime and Safari using significant energy, but not these two, they will not show. The Safari way down here. Although it's using significant energy here, it's way down here. The networking of computers, data going to Safari networking. Same thing. And I wonder if that was 100. But that's it. That's 100. Alright, and this is 199. So it's 199 images, but it's showing us 200 items. So 199. $199, and software up, it says remote D, data moving in and out of the Mac, active process, remote D. Finder using significant energy, but Finder is not in the list. Tons of data moving. There's an app that I could not get rid of, Installer Progress. Don't know what that is, but it's an app that showed up in Screen Time Always Allowed that could not be removed. It is similar to it's 53 minutes of use. It's similar to this here. Remote Advisor. Can I get rid of Remote Advisor? Can I get rid of it? Okay. It should show as do you want to remove? No, it cannot get rid of it. Close that. So open this up. So another one that showed up in progress, in Installer Progress. Oh yeah, same usual. 409, 0% uploaded, but uploaded 17 seconds ago. Okay, all of them are uploaded, but still uploading here. Connected processes, show that one. All processes are restricted. There's 47, nothing showing here. In packets, this is 4.92 KB, nothing showing here. 47, nothing showing here. Kernel task, as I've said, Stalker has removed what it should show. It shows a 0. Okay, these are all enforced quit. They could not quit. None of them. None of them are open in the dock. All data goes to Safari networking. Networking of computers. Usage 1 hour 8 minutes. 1 hour 8 minutes. Okay, plus 36 plus 3 not accounted for. So I have to take 1,000,000 screenshots to show how this screen time is changing in real time. There are the interfaces. There's the IPv4 stream. Launch D, as I've said, is a constant. I've documented Big Sur. Safari networking, of course. Safari is using significant energy, but it's way down here. Recording at unboxing. This is June 5th. it says deleted there already. Deleted has started. Data already moving with an invisible network. Okay, and I've documented this. Bluetooth is it's hotspot supported. That is how he accesses this computer, is via hotspot. Okay, what's Safari networking? It's related to related to networking, of course. It's in the name. Yeah, same thing. Packet sent. I think I have two of this one, so one is missing already. Oh my god, he keeps removing all my screenshots. Yeah, so here's the connecting. It's connecting when I did not join a network, and it starts to install, and I immediately become a host right there on all computers. It connects when I did not connect. And here we go. This is grayed out. No, that has very little power, but here's a foreign power charge, full green. Okay, 5 hour 11 minutes. Not 5 hour 11 minutes there. 6 hour 20 minutes. No. Launch D. Constant. Here we go with all the uploading again. Uploaded. Still uploading here. 414, 2%. 414 uploaded 15 seconds ago. 1237. Yep. But what happened to 49 and 17? And I've documented this. That looks like a duplicate. This one looks like a duplicate as well. Remote D looks like a duplicate. 13 hours. Not there. Okay, Safari using significant energy, but Safari is here. Power D is constant. Like I said, that does not show here. It's frozen. Yeah, same old. Remote Advisor app is a malware. I've seen this screenshot before. 2 pickups, only 1 showing. Kernel task, 0. Yeah, there's a lot of duplicates. All right. An unboxing, I've showed that. There's Safari. It's not open in the dock. And I said, your screen is being observed, and he said, yes, it's expected. Apple launch service, Safari networking, yep, all of those are running. They cannot be closed. QuickTime running here, but not open in the dock. See, I clicked on it and it says open. Do I want to open it? So, but it's closed here, but it's running here, and I'm not recording. QuickTime, when push comes to shove, Stalker will not allow QuickTime to record my screen. Safari is using significant energy, but it's closed in the dock. Look at that. Safari is using significant energy there, but closed here. QuickTime is using significant energy, but it's not even open there. 417 will take 1 hour 23 minutes to finish uploading, but here it was uploaded 5 minutes ago. So there's 2 separate things happening. It's already uploaded, but it'll take 1.5 hours to upload. And guess what? It's only 15 minutes in length. 417 only 15 minutes in length, but it takes 1 hour 23 minutes to upload. That is how slow Stalker has slowed down my uploads. Same thing. He's playing my video. Not congruent usage. Same here. Okay, these are duplicates. APSD which I've documented. Data is going to APSD when there's no visible network. Removed D. Okay. Battery lasts 12 hours fully charged, but only 8 minutes up there. And of course, this will not be congruent as well. 4 and 3 and 7 seconds. Each folder has an extra something in it. IPv4, IPv6. This one has 2 IPv4 connections and quite a few IPv6 connections. There's installer progress, the malware. Oh yeah. Stalker wouldn't let me access YouTube. System preference, in screen time. According to Apple, I should never see that. But they don't know how special this computer is. Safari networking, kernel task. Data is going to and from kernel task. There's my applications folder. I have no outside applications that I know of. And all these apps have the same date and same time of created and modified, all of them. That's magic. Date created and date modified are exactly the same thing. And there's Find My and Siri, and then they disappeared. So as did Safari. I don't have Safari in Always Allowed anymore. Neither do I have Find My or Siri. Oh, I talked about this one here where there was a download from anywhere. I saw it and then it disappeared. Same thing here. Uploading, but already uploaded. Same. The status of your wireless connection is unknown. Look at that, that's grayed out again. Ticked off or no ticked off, it's grayed out. Internet connection. Anonymous UUID. Bluetooth is off, but Bluetooth is an active process in console. Bluetooth off, lots of Bluetooth. Bluetooth off, lots of Bluetooth. Host controller. Yep, tons of Bluetooth, but it's off. Cannot open. Bug type 151. What is bug type 151? If there is evidence of abuse, don't try to fix it yourself. Apple will return your damaged unit to you. You have a hardware problem with bug type 115. There you go, bug type 115, 151. Oh, this is 115. This is 151. I'm sure I had 115 as well. I will find it. And this is questions I asked of Carlos. Carlos. Yes, he said engineering was aware of the duplicate apps. Connection cleaning up. Cloud. I never joined Cloud. Anonymous UUID. So I put a comment. So now there's 3 comments to this website, and only it reads as 2. So it's such a faker. So my question, I just asked it. It should be at the top, but Stalker put it in the middle. Just 1 second ago. This is 1 month ago and 5 months ago. It should not be in the middle. And only 2 of them are registering. My comments is not being registered. Localhost in system log. Connecting to private. State dump. Enforcing size. Enforcing size limit on filtered candidates. IPv4, IPv6. 5 hour 1 minute. 5 hour 1 minute and 10 hours total screen time. Oh no, that's That stalker was with me at what, 2 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock, somewhere there. That stalker again at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, and you can freeze it at 2 minutes. Local account, local host, in system log. Manage client. What is manage client? This message is directed at users who are not the admin. I'm not the admin. If you're the admin, for example, the sole user, you should not be subjected to this. Yep, manage client. Manage client. Missing from screen time, Find My, System Preferences, Safari, Home, Launchpad, Mission Control, and Siri. What's NCM? Multi-vendor network, because there's MCM in the list, in console. Here's remote D. They're not organized. Screenshots. Oh no, there's NCM. NCM interface due to the existence of private NCM interface. So what's NCM? NCM helps automate and take total control of the entire life cycle of device configuration management. Whoa. Remote D. Not using the public NCM interface due to the existence of private NCM interface. Nice. Okay, he's already joined my local network. That's why it's grayed out. Wireless, and it will not let me access my email. Notification 1 will not show. Notification 3 only shows 1. NVRAM are all error. All error message for NVRAM. Okay, one of the two will be used. Which one is undefined? I have 2 of just about everything on my Mac. One of the two will be used. Which one is undefined? Backup D. One of the two will be used. Which one is undefined? I have 2 of them. Host. Anonymous UUID, parent process, launch D1. That's why there's so much launch in Activity Monitor. Pickups, only 9 will show. PowerD, Darkwick, preview, malware is attached to preview. Before it shut down the computer at night. Preview and QuickTime are always running in the background. The malware are attached to Preview and QuickTime. There's unknown processes in console. Wi-Fi, already active process when there's no visible network. Kernel task number 1 user of the Mac. QuickTime recording, but it's not open as a doc. And what's this one here? I just want to check. 1 hour 9 minutes. 1 hour 7 minutes. 1 hour 7. Wow, it's on time. It's kind of near perfect today. So there's QuickTime, recording, QuickTime, not open in the dock. There's Remote Advisor. It rarely shows any time. It usually is frozen. That's a malware. QuickTime here, same as before. QuickTime Remote Advisor. Whenever I'm chatting with Apple, I see 2 Apple down here, 2 of them. Remote D. Remote D. Remote D. Initializing NCM device backend. Okay, report crash. Backup D, report crash, and cloud sharing D. Request the block until connected. Restart. All processes are restricted. There's Safari using significant energy but not. Safari here again, but down here. Kernel task is the one using significant energy, but it's not showing up here. Again, all data, Safari networking. Safari will never show in always allowed. 2 previews, 2 QuickTimes. It will not send my email to Apple. It says error saving draft. It will not save it. Activity monitor, preview, preview, QuickTime, QuickTime. Mac running at over 200 degrees, 212, 212. Okay, and on and on and on. And this is from Detective Verdi. Here we go, 1 hour 12 minutes to upload, number 526, and it's already uploaded 20 minutes ago. But I have to wait 1 hour 12 minutes. Same thing here, and look, he slowed it down. He slowed down the upload. Okay, it's all going to Safari networking. Preview QuickTime, as I've said, continuously set. There we go. 10 minutes, 1 minute. Unable to open device. Operation not found. The screen time will not show usage. All this data has been moving in and out of the Mac. Still, screen time will not show usage. Preview not open here, but preview running. Yeah, every time I try to run diagnostic and I open Mac, the utilities application, so much data moves in and out of the Mac. Stalker doesn't like when this is opened. Yeah, Bluetooth off, but Bluetooth is a process. Running install action, removing temporary directory in install log. What's TCC cache? Is permanently remove iCloud drive. Yeah, lots of deleted. Yep. Connection cleaning up. Rest connections. Not blocking already connected. Command center. Remind D processing handler cloud context. State dump of 1299 bytes. Connection bootstrapping roaming internet bypass from command center. Delete, purge cleanup, urgency 3, sometimes it's urgency 1. Purge, deleted, purge, drain, successful requested, deleted, deactivating plugin, connecting to private, plugin loaded and ready for host, telling host that host has control. So drain purge, draining the purge queue. Purge with urgency 3 for cloud. 611 private. Request a purge. TM cache delete. With filters, private. News, deleting. Notification center, deactivating plugin. Activate server. Recent documents. Granted the client, claim, granted the client. He connects via radio waves, MDNS, private. QuickTime will not record. 28 and 1. 41, 11, 24 seconds. Does not add up to 6 hours 4 minutes. Watchdog D. Networking. Power management. Debug. Control center. Created anonymous account. Apple quietly added a new iMessage security feature to iOS. Blast Door is a new sandbox inside iMessages that receives and sanitizes all iMessage content before it is shown to user. So Apple does not tell people what they're doing, but it's hacking via iMessage. Okay, I cannot call out. It's a normal thing. And then this is funny. So one day suddenly my phone will not recognize the charger, and it's draining of battery power. And then a couple hours later, it's working again, and he does it all the time. Yeah, speaks for itself. This is how much you slow down the upload. That nothing is in and out. Shutdown monitor is empty, but already showed a shutdown. Launch 1 is constantly running that Stalker. That's 199. That does not feel like 199. 199 documents. That did not feel like 199. Now there's some very important ones that are missing. I know what they are, but they are missing. But I know what they are. I know some of them. So this is the fourth, and screen time will not work, and it will not run diagnostic. Okay, it says connection interrupted. Yeah, the interruption was from Stalker. The connection is there. Okay. Preview is using significant energy. Okay. All right. So these are all grayed out. Every day something different. Sometimes they're grayed out, sometimes they're not grayed out. Alright, let's see, data will be moving. Right, so some very important screenshots are missing. And the one of the important ones that are missing is the one that says 12 clients are being managed by this computer. That one is missing. There's the 3 dots. That always happens every time I run diagnostic. So he's changing the same thing all the time. 303 something. I register over 100, definitely. Over 300 anyway. Okay, so a bunch of stuff showed up and then they disappeared. Alright, here we go, debug. Okay, so we're at the bottom. 5 minutes. All debug. Miles of debug. Command center. Best connections. Sharing D. Sharing D. Not blocking, already connected. Sharing D. Command center. Command center. Lots of command center. Oh boy. Millions of command center. Command center. Kernel. Debug. Debug. Millions, miles of them. Debug. Metal path productivity monitor. So It'll only show up till okay, let's see here. All messages. Data moving. Cancel is using number one energy. 298, 298, 107, 102, 98, 98, 154, 90. Wow. Console. So it has July the 26th date. So everything pre-July 26th has been removed. Okay? Everything pre-July 26th has been removed. And as I've mentioned, a lot of screenshots have been removed as well. Nope, that will not open. Account summary disabled. A lot of data moving. Okay. So there's changes to activity monitor. Not the activity monitor, but the console. Power D. I did not join cloud. Did not sign into iCloud. Client. Posting empty stream filter. More data moving. August 5th. So everything before August 5th. Oh no, this is today's. I'm running the log now. Sent by MDS. System log, but it should have everything, not only today's. Oh well. August 4th. thumb plugs, turned over. There we go. Localhost. Okay, deleted messages number 1. This bug type 115. I know I've seen it before. Bug type 115. Another one. Another one. More. They're all bug type 115. Bug type 151. One five one. 115 again. Unknown. lots of unknown. So this is new. So when I close it, it'll all disappear. Okay, and I have to start from fresh again. So I'm at 97% power right now. Data moving. Once data starts moving, tampering in progress. Bug tab 115. Bug tab 115. No, I closed it. Oh well, I'm gonna have to do that again. But yeah, a lot of screenshots have disappeared. Important screenshots have disappeared. Son of a bitch. Okay. So be it. QuickTime using significant energy. But QuickTime is not open in the dock. Data is moving when data should not be moving. QuickTime still using significant energy. Force quit. Preview is running. Pages. Pages is running. No, it's this pages. Pages is not running. Notes is running. Notes is running, I guess. Sticky is running. Text edit is running. Nope. No, it's not. Okay. One hour 17 minutes. 12 minutes. 4:59 seconds. Malware. 1 hour 44 minutes. 1 hour 33 minutes. Alright, this is way better than most of the time. And I guess right now I'm going to say stop recording. And stop.